You're welcome. Welcome to the tutorial for how to navigate using the Canva environment. Now, one of the things you should notice is how the Canva environment experience look like. So many people, once they click it, they tend to be nervous about all the icons they are seeing or all the navigation tree, but you should not panic because it is very easy. Now, one of the things I can tell you to do is to play with Canva if you want to know so many features. If you do not play with Canva, you will not be able to access so many features. So let me just show you guys something. Now look at the top left corner of your phone, a place that has like where you could put your profile picture. Now if I click on that place, you can see that it's showing me my account, and if I click on the drop down arrow, you can also add other accounts. So that now this is the Canva Pro team I joined. Yes, so that's why I was telling everybody to go and join the team. Using this team will give you a free access to at least a 1 month subscription where you can use to your test. You'll be able to get the pro designs. And if I switch back to the other team which I did for some months, let me just switch it back so that I will see something. This is the one I did for a 3 month, so you see what I'm trying to say. For example, how you will not be able to use some function. So I just switched back to one of the tools I did now, and let's just say for instance I click on templates. I just want to show some a limit, and let's say I search for food, or we should use happy birthday since it's already there. So let's just go with the happy birthday template. Okay, so now look at everybody's coming up. Now let's look at this one closely. That's showing a lady with a Nigeria colored background there. You see, if you could look at it very closely, it's having something that looks like a king. And if I tap it and I want to use this design, let's I want to use customize this template, for example. If I click on use this, it will not allow me. It will tell me to go and upgrade. So see, we can upgrade it right now. Please try again later. So this is just one part, but there are also many other parts. But I'm just trying to ensure we get the full gist. About I'm still going to show something. Now let's just go back. Let's go back. Okay. Let me just go and let's say I create a new template. So you see we have so many features here. Add social media, depending on what you want to do. You can also use Canva to do your video editing, doc, and so many stuff, even PowerPoint and so on. But we'll just stick to design. At least as time goes by, when you keep on exploring, you'll be able to know how all this functions. Okay, so now I'm going to click on customize design. Let me just click on customize design, and for a Facebook page we'll be using 2000 by 2, the height 2000. So this unit will have pixel, inches, millimeter, and centimeter. So for graphic design, maybe you're doing designs online, trying to give picture quality and other stuff, I recommend you use pixel, because pixels are little dots that makes up images. So we just go with pixel and then click on create new design. I just want to show us a little limitation on how it can be when you don't have the pro version. You want to do some things and you will not be able to do that. All right, so okay, now so I'm just waiting network, waiting for the tools to load, and then from there I will be able to show you guys what I'm trying to say, so that some of us will understand what we're trying to look at here. Okay, so now we are already here, an empty background. So what am I going to do here? Look at so many features. Look up, some are active with 3 dots, comments. This is the 3 dot at the upside, showing me so many things, upload files and make copies and all those things. So you explore that. We have comment beside it upside, and we have download and upload there, the up layer. And then coming to the down layer, we have design, elements, text, gallery, brand, upload, tools, projects, and apps, and magic wand, and frame maker. Okay, so I'm just going to do something. Let me go to my gallery and get a background. Let me just get a random background on my gallery. So okay, I'm going to choose this and add to my page. Yes, I'm going to choose that. Okay, so just you could drag using any of the sides. So let me just drag here and drag down, drag to this place and expand to this place. Okay, so now you see I have my background fixed to what I want to do. You want to show us a little stuff here, and let's just say for instance you want to add a frame. Okay, sorry, let's go back. I still want to add a frame. I'm still going to explain all the tools for us. Let's go back. I want to add a frame. Okay, this is a frame maker. I want to add a frame maker. Now, the frame maker has its unique function. Maybe you want to get something like a design and you want to put it inside. This is not what I want, and let's just say I say C O. Now, notice this is not giving me the shape I want with the circle, and I can't say it because of the limits. Which this is not Canva Pro. I'm not using Canva Pro currently, so it's really frustrating, because I cannot just get what I want. So now let me just go back to let me just switch back to my Canva Pro because I prefer using the Canva Pro version for my design. It makes me get what I want. So I'm going back and I'll click on that person, go back to my team. I don't want this was the previous team I did and it expired. So this is the team I paid for 500 naira for. I'm switching back to it because I'm limited to some function. Okay, so let's go to your design, check for the design I was doing before and check. Okay. All right, great. Go to, let me just use the Instagram post so that it should just be there. Let's start. So okay, so waiting for it to load. Now you are going to see the difference of what I was saying on how we are going to use the Canva Pro. So okay, so now I'm going to click on sorry, let me go back. Okay, yeah, this is what I was looking for. Gallery. Let me add the background we used before and add the background. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to straight it up, take it to this place and stretch to the right hand side. Okay, so now is the next thing I'm going to click on is I can use the elements. Now notice element is coming out and I can say shapes. Shape is coming out and look at so many shapes. If you want to choose any shapes, there are so many shapes. You can even search for the shape if you want. So these are to add shapes, but I want to use what is it called, a frame. That I want to use frame tools. Okay, so I'm going to search for circle. Let's search for circle frame. That's what I'm looking for. Circle frame. And it's generating. So you see it's telling me frame maker app I should use. So I'm going to tell him use this app. And if maybe something is telling me open app or maybe other stuff like that, and yeah, I'm going to click on open. Okay, and then it will take me to the frame maker app. Now the frame maker app is very unique. I love it because it gives me the edge of what I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on all and I'm going to search. Okay, do I have what I'm looking for or not? Okay, so I want a circle. That's what I want, a circle frame maker. So I'm so sorry, just give me 1 minute. So we are still trying to explore this environment. Next thing I'll just click it out, go to just create this as a template. Okay. Just wait for it to load. And then we are good to go. Okay, so I'll go back. I don't want this is what I want. And now remember I told us you can go here. This is the gallery to add up any background of your choice, any background you want. Just go and select it. And here, any element you want, be it shapes, graphics, 3D, photos, stickers, anything at all you want to add. Let's say you want to add a shape, you click, so many shapes will come pop up. If you don't want that and you want something else, you can still come there and click on that arrow above shape to go back instead of going out. So if you want graphics, you click on graphics. So as you can see, this place that is showing king simply means that I'm using the pro version. I can select any one of my choice, anyone at all. Let's say I want this social media stuff. You see, with one click you can put it, drag it, click and drag. This is my phone. Click and drag and put it anywhere you want it to be. And then if you want to go back, look at it, the upside, undo, redo, undo, redo. So that's just it, just to play with it. And let's say you wanna and you're done with it, that's where you want it to be. You still go, don't forget now, string graphics, click on the left arrow, it will take you back to the 3D where you select. Let's say I want the frame. I can select this frame and look at, wow, so many frames, so many. Oh, how about we try the circle frame? This is circle frame. Let's just try it out. There, put it there. Click on OK. How about get something? Anything? Let's just get oh, should we try this out? No. Cancel selection. How about we try this man? Let's add it to the page. Yeah. So this is it. I would just like this. Oh wow. This is the man. Okay. How about undo it? Let me undo it again. So undo. Okay, let's add it back again. Go to gallery. Now you need to, I just want to add this back so that we can see something. You see, once I leave it, I get the area to which I want, and then you can now move the both together. So that's just it. You can play with it and do the ones you want. How about you try this? Yes, food and row. So that's just it. Alright, so that's what I want to show you guys. So let's go back to, remember you can move this to any location you want. Okay, click on good, and I'm having questions. So this is just you playing with the environment, going, this is frames, just like what I told you. If you now have full features, you cannot use any of the stuff that we're using. 3D, click on 3D to take you and any 3D you want, anyone. Let's select this. I want this new. You see, so it makes your job easier. You don't want to straighten yourself and other stuff to get places where you want to make it big. You click the dot, one of the dots like this. Sorry, see, you can make it bigger, smaller, bigger, and you can move it around to your choice. So it's your choice how you want it to be. So you can move it around, up, down, just showing us how you set your texture. Okay, so it's just your choice on how you want it to be. Alright, transparent, you want it to be transparent, you want it to be layer, position, and other stuff. So each design you can bring it. So now if you notice, if I click on this plate, I can adjust, remove the background. If that's the background, Magic Studio, Pixel Eraser, filter, I can add effects. We have app, we have crop, we have flip, color, star, animate, transparent, and node, position, notch, and more. So it's just your choice depending on what you want. So by the class proceed, you'll be learning how to use some of these tools one after the other. So how about click it and we'll come back. Now the next one is text. These are text, and look at it, you have so many texts you can choose of. So many, I can choose any of this one and to come out exactly the way you're seeing it. I don't like this, so let's go back. Go back to text. How about like this deep? This look nice. Deep. Okay, so I can decide to delete one so that I have just one. Click and drag. Let me delete these. Delete the bold and delete this one. So you see, you can actually edit it to your text if you don't want it to want D, or you can just put, let's say, sorry IK or Sunny Tech, Suntech. So this could be what I want and other stuff. But I just go back on just showing us how you can trust it, you can play with this. Okay. So we have paper and I can move these and other stuff like that. You can increase it to the size you want. I'm just showing us, we're navigating around the pro and other stuff like that. Okay. So that is it for text. Just click on add. You could choose the one you want and gallery. We'll talk about that. And brand, although currently we're not creating a brand, so it won't work. So let's just go back. Click on upload. Do you want to upload your files or record yourself? So it's just your choice, but we don't want to do that now. So let's go back. Okay, next tools. And these are also tools that you can use and you can add any of your choice. So you see how tools work. So this is just to how it works. Just for you to pick and explore. Pick anywhere, and if I want this, I can do this and add it, small them out, small them function. So tools, just pick the tool you want and select text. Yeah, we don't want text. So tools you can go. So I will tell you that the best option to do it for you to play with this, and at least you should know where the tools are, so that in the course of the video, maybe when it's been mentioned, you will know what to do and what not to do. So this project, any design you create, it will be showing on this place. So now we have app, yeah, to synchronize LinkedIn and other stuff. But well, this is it. But our focus is on graphics. So let's just move forward. We have Magic Media. So Magic Media is also there. Helping you create magic background, just type in what you want, either graphics or you want video, or looking at graphics, so we'll not go further, or maybe extra miles. So we have the frame. The next one is the frame maker. Also works with other apps, and then you can create your own not on how you want it to be. You can start to remove point and work on it manually. You can see more. So you see that the environment is very, very friendly. So let's just go back to this place. It's actually friendly. I've explained almost all the environment we need to know. If you listen carefully and you follow through, sometimes just for you to watch and feed your eyes to most of this thing. Just play around it, and you see yourself becoming the designer that you ought to, or you want to be. So I will stop here for tonight, and tomorrow we're kicking off with a graphic. So we'll be designing one thing at a time, and then everybody will be given assignment on what to do or what design to come up and things you need to know. So we'll just stop here for tonight, and tomorrow we'll be talking about how to use our text. It's more important how to use our text, how to position it, what kind of font you need to use, and what you need to know about font. So stay tuned for the next class.